Hi guys, so I'm starting a YouTube channel. I already have like 20 videos. Please subscribe so I can make better content by getting money from advertisers. Ask any questions or dialogue you want to do in comments. I really like math and physics. They keep me busy. They give me something to do so I don't get bored, and I like to help understand the world around me. I don't know if you can see this, but I can see the beautiful night sky. I can see Orion. I'm in Virginia, so I'm in Northern Hemisphere. I can see Orion. It's March 1st, 2021. Orion is he's from Greco-Roman mythology. He was a hunter. Orion's belts. Anyway, just looking around me, it's dark and it's cold. What that means what does that mean? What is cold? What is heat? What is temperature? Well, temperature it's the average kinetic energy of molecules. The kinetic energy of a particle is 1/2 times its mass times the square of its speed, 1/2 mv squared, where v is the first letter of velocity. Velocity is basically speed, 1/2 mv squared. So, the temperature is just, it's measuring the average kinetic energy of molecules. So I'm uncomfortable because, I don't know, it feels like 40 degrees. Why do I feel uncomfortable? Just because the molecules of air around me are not moving fast. Isn't that odd? That this almost pain that I feel is just because the molecules around me are they're basically moving slow. So the way I figured this out, make sense to myself, it still doesn't make intuitive sense, but the best I can do is so the molecules in my body, my body temperature is 98.6, I guess. Outside it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So the molecules in my body have more kinetic energy. They're sort of moving faster than the molecules outside. So the molecules at my surface body area, they move, and then they imagine bumper cars at a fair amusement park. So my molecules, they bump the air molecules, and then they transfer their kinetic energy to the air, just like billiard balls would transfer energy. So my body's molecules, I guess, are losing that kinetic energy, and then since the air is moving slowly, the air around me doesn't really bump my body molecules and sort of return the favor. But it's just so interesting that this pain that I'm feeling, well, it's not pain, this discomfort that I'm feeling is just because the molecules around me are not hitting me enough. I mean, that's just so weird, and no wonder it took man so long to invent science. This came, I guess, started with Isaac Newton and his 3 laws of motion that gave us kinetic energy, and then people that were figuring out what heat actually was. This car has kinetic energy. It's the molecules around me do not have that much. My body has more. So that's all for now. Again, to continue this dialogue or questions, go to the comment section. Bye for now.